Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Kualoa Ranch offers several tours, and our family decided to do the Ocean Voyage Catamaran tour. This ocean voyage consists of two parts: a boat tour of the historic Molii Fishpond and a catamaran ride that takes you out into the ocean where you can take in awesome views. We arrived at Kualoa Ranch and proceeded directly to the check-in desk for our tickets. Since we were early, we walked around to the ranch. We were able to see plenty of horses and interact with them. The time came for our tour. We rode on one of the Kualoa Ranch tour buses. This was kind of cool bus. It was an open-air bus. We arrived at the fish pond and headed over towards a dock. In this little area where you can spot a lot of jellyfish, I was able to touch one. Then we boarded to a very interesting looking boat. This boat is only used to take you across the Molii Fishpond only. As the boat takes you around, you'll learn some of the basic information about the fish pond. This Molii Fishpond is part of a Kualoa Ranch. It is one of the largest in Hawaii, covering 125 acres, and it's estimated to be 800 years old. Soon, we arrive at Secret Island. We walk through overgrown mangroves, a shaded path, then a short walk until we arrive at the beach where we found our catamaran. The catamaran is a pretty cool size boat. It was a double-decker. Including me, most of the passengers chose to be on the top, where you can have unrestricted panoramic views. It was a beautiful day. It was nice to get out and admire some beautiful scenery of Oahu's windward side and enjoy some time on the water. We also got a view of the famous and iconic Mokoli'i Island, also known as Chinaman's Hat. The tour also offers spectacular views of Kalipuo, Kualoa, and Pualu mountains along with the blue water. This total experience is approximately 90 minutes long. The whole trip was filled with so much breathtaking scenery. We could have just stayed on that catamaran all day, enjoying the views and the ocean breeze. If you want a relaxing sightseeing tour, then the Catamaran Voyage Tour was the best way to do it. We had such a memorable day during our visit. Have you experienced the Ocean Voyage Catamaran tour? What was your favorite thing about it? Leave your comments below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more Hawaii outdoor adventures.
Give you a nice little shaka, guys.
Aloha! Aloha!
Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!